Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Yusum. I'm a psychiatrist on the Upper East Side of Manhattan. I'm also a lecturer at the Yale University School of Medicine. Recently, I carried out a small pilot study in my private practice looking at a novel meditation technology called Sacred Acoustics and how it affects levels of anxiety. In my study, I had 3 groups of participants. One group was patients of mine who are currently in treatment with myself, and treatment as usual entails psychotherapy and/or medication. And then I had another group of patients who were in treatment with me who were not using Sacred Acoustics. This was one of the control groups. And then we had another group of non-patients, so individuals actually who were all in the healing professions who were curious about Sacred Acoustics and wanting to learn about its effect on their own anxiety. So we looked at how Sacred Acoustics and the use of this meditation technology affects people's anxiety levels as measured by the State and Trait Anxiety Inventory. State anxiety is the anxiety of how you feel in this current state, in this very moment. Trait anxiety is the anxiety that you have by virtue of your personality, something that is kind of like your baseline. What we found is that using Sacred Acoustics meditation actually lowered people's trait anxiety, so their overall baseline. The primary outcome of the study was that after controlling for all the different variables, like different participants' age, gender, socioeconomic status, whether or not they were on medication, the group that showed the greatest decrease in anxiety and the statistically significant decrease in anxiety was the group that was in psychiatric treatment and also using Sacred Acoustics. They showed greater decrease in anxiety than either of the other groups. So what this basically shows is that using this meditation technology alongside psychiatric treatment as usual is a very powerful way of helping patients reduce anxiety without adding more medications and without having to even go for extra additional sessions with a psychiatrist. Sacred Acoustics offers an important alternative to patients of how to reduce their anxiety without medications. I hope other clinicians will try out this in their private practices and add to the growing body of research literature on this subject and other complementary and alternative medication options for patients to lower their anxiety.